Dimensions, 20 inches by 4.5 inches 2 PACK of 5 micron pleated sediment water filter. Universal replacement, fits most 20-inch water filter housings. Quality filtration, made of 100% pure polypropylene microfibers. Whole house sediment filtration. Contains no binders, agents, solvents, antistatic materials or wetting agents. This cartridge is pleated, it provides increased surface area and longer filter life. Pleated cartridge provides depth, filtration and remove more contaminants, large and fine particles from a drinking water, such as sand, dirt, silt, and rust particles. Lifetime, 4 to 6 months, 20,000 to 30,000 gallons, depending on the water quality. Replace for great taste of your water. Compatible replacement filters, Ace Hardware 4021341, American Plumber 155184-51, W5C Ametek CP5BB, AquaPure AP810-2, Culligan 155184, CP5BB, CP5BBS, CP5BBSA, ClearChoice 84634, 84646, 84647, Cuno CFS 210-2, Dupont HDC 3001, Flowmax FMBB 21, FreshWaterSystems PS 4509705, PS 45201, OmniFilter 15 rupees, minus 15 rupees, FreshWaterSystems PS 45205, Harmsco HB20-1W, HB20-5W, WBHB20-1W, WBHB25W, Hydronix SPC 451005, SPC 452001, SPC 452005, Keystone GPC5. Compatible filters and housings, Liquitech SPF 451005, SPF 452005, NeoPure PS 4509705, PS 45201, PS 45205, Pelican PBBBP25, PBBP21, PBBP25, Pentic 255490-43, 255493-43, 255494-43, ECP1 to 20 BB, ECP5 to 20 BB, ECP5BB, Perwater PC05, B, BS, SureFlow 15-054-02, Watts FMBB25, PWPL20BBM5, WPC1FF20, etc. Fits most 20-inch whole house systems. Top reviews from the United States. Whole house water filter cartridge. The first cartridge lasted approximately 2 years for a family of 7. When our water pressure started to fall off at the faucets, we replaced the filter element. I did try and clean the old one, but I was not sure if it was clean enough to last without plugging up, and since it is somewhat hard to shut down the water supply to the entire house to change this out, I decided to go ahead and replace it. They are not overly expensive, especially if you buy them in quantity. Water pressure is now back to what it was before the original filter was used.